Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video on how to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days. I'm Ayakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. Well, this might happen due to various reasons, such as connectivity problems. If you're experiencing connectivity issue with your internet connection or the Instagram app, it could affect your ability to send messages. So check your internet connection and try accessing Instagram from a different device or network to see if the issue persists. Or it could be because of temporary restrictions. Instagram may have temporarily restricted your account due to a violation of their community guidelines or terms of service. In such cases, you should receive a notification or message from Instagram explaining the restriction and its duration. And if you're not aware about Instagram's community guidelines, then head to your preferred web browser and just type down Instagram's community guidelines in the search bar. Now open the link, and here you can go through this page and learn about Instagram's community guidelines. And now to solve this issue, open up your Google Play Store or an App Store on your device, and now search for Instagram. Now tap on it, and below you'll be able to find Developers Contact option. Now from the drop-down menu, select the email and you'll be brought up to your mailbox. Now all you need to do is prepare a short email to the support team and then send it. So you can just write down that your Instagram is not allowing you to send messages for 3 days and say that you haven't done anything wrong or violated any rules. Once you're done with the email, simply send it. Instagram might take up to 48 hours to give you a proper response. So you'll just have to patiently wait until then. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.